It is so fucking easy to make a shit ton of money, even if you have no idea what you're doing. And I'm here to explain exactly what I mean. As you guys know, I'm currently running an AI agency, and when I started this whole thing, I had no idea anything about AI. And honestly, to this day, I'm still struggling to really know the ins and outs of AI and code and all of these things. However, the reality of the situation is that honestly, you don't even need to know. And you don't even need to know really what you're doing as long as you're taking the right actions in the right direction that is going to make you a shit ton of money. I've kind of talked about this in the past. However, I want to go a little bit deeper into this because you guys know a little bit of my story. If you don't know, just a quick recap. Obviously, I have a bunch of different videos talking about this, but I just want to kind of give you a quick recap. So, for the people that are new, I know there's a lot of new people watching. So, I've essentially gotten this AI agency now within this year. We got it up to 30 to 50K a month, pretty much just like for myself and my business partner. Before that, way back, like ages ago, I ran an e-commerce store, which we made a bunch of money revenue. However, the profit wasn't really there. What ended up happening was that we actually got hacked. So I lost most of my money and got super discouraged for ever doing e-com or physical products again. So what ended up happening was I switched and did something called high ticket sales because I actually had a sales job, like a 9 to 5 sales job. So I was like, dude, fuck this. Let me just start doing high ticket sales online. So I started closing for some of the biggest influencers in the space, guys with like 10, 15 million followers online. And we were ranking in bank, all right? I was making anywhere from like 20 to 30K a month for myself, which was awesome. However, what ended up happening was that I ended up leaving that offer because I realized I was making all of these offer owners anywhere from like $300,000 every single month, and I was only left with like 30K. So it's like, yo, let's just use everything we learned from the e-commerce store with the marketing and everything with the sales aspect from the high ticket sales. Let's take that and start our own business. So we implemented an AI agency, and now we're helping clients make like 50K a month extra profit and revenue just off of a couple AI solutions that we do. But the whole point of that is to say that when we started this whole thing, we didn't really know what we were doing. And the coolest part about it is like, yeah, I had these skill sets. However, I had no idea how to fulfill. While my business partner kind of knew how to fulfill, but he didn't have the skill sets that I had. So we merged that together and we made it work. And that's the key aspect and the whole point of this video is that you will always make it work, but you have to do the steps beforehand to even do so. Because most of you guys are thinking about, okay, how do we get rich? How do we do this? How do we make a shit ton of money? So on and so on. And here's the key factor to it all. You're worrying about all of these things that don't really matter. Like how you get rich does not matter. Obviously, the vehicle and the extent and whatever kind of venture you want to dive down does matter to some sort of extent. You don't want to go into the wrong vehicle that doesn't fit you. However, all of these things don't really matter at the end of the day because the right steps and the right actions will get you to the money anyway. Whether that be in real estate, whether that be e-commerce, or whether you do an AI agency like I do, it does not matter. You'll figure it out as you go. However, you have to do the right steps beforehand to even make the money in the first place. So now you might be asking, okay, what are the right steps? What, like, dude, what are you talking about, Marco? Come on, give us the sauce. And the sauce is honestly, I know this sounds corny and disappointing and whatnot, but the sauce is that there is genuinely no sauce. There's obviously tips and tricks you can add in here and there, but the real sauce is that there's no sauce. You just have to put in the right steps and the actions. And those are that you genuinely have to make somebody more money than what you're going to make in return, but you want to have as much leverage as possible. So I'll give you an example, like I talked about with the high ticket sales situation I was in. I was making my offer owners, let's just say $300,000 per month. And out of that, I was left with 30K, which means that they had 270K profit. If you just remove ads and whatnot from like all organic, they had 270K profit and I had 30K. So they had most of the leverage, right? So you want to be able to make somebody more money, but keep most of the leverage for yourself, which means that now we're running an AI agency. And what we do is that we make like whatever niche that we're in, if it's dentist, home service, whatever, we have done a couple different niches, but let's just say that we're helping roofing companies generate like 10 to 20 new jobs within like their first few months, right? So if they're averaging, let's just say 10,000, usually they actually average more, the people that we work with, but let's just say they're averaging $10,000 per deal, right? If we get them 10 extra deals per month, that's $100,000 in revenue that we've made them, which then means, okay, we have made this roofing company an extra $100,000 per month. Out of those $100,000, excuse me, we'll have 10, 20, right? So now we have more leverage because now out of closing one client, we can make them a shit ton of money in a completely different field, but we're left with $20,000 out of that. So, okay, that's awesome. Now we make $20,000 off of one client instead of having to fucking sign, what is it, 50 different clients just to get to 30K a month with high ticket sales. So that's what I mean when it comes to leverage. However, the right actionable steps is to add more value than what you get in return, which means you're going to make somebody else more money, you're going to solve big problems, you're going to solve expensive problems for somebody else. And it does not matter if you know how to do it or not. You just have to try. And as you try and as you go, you will figure it out. Now, here's the key. You want to be smart about going about your way doing this. This is just my opinion. There's two ways to go about it. There's probably even more. However, you can go and just try and figure it out by yourself, and you probably will. However, it's going to take you ages. Like, it's going to take you years. It's going to take you such a long time compared to getting coached by somebody or just learning directly from one person. That can be me, that can be somebody else. It does not matter. However, if you genuinely like get the proper help from somebody who can walk you through exactly what to do step by step, you're going to get there much, much faster, right? But usually that involves an investment, and it involves being more dedicated, actually showing up, almost treating it like a training program, so on and so on, right? So there's like, you have to weigh out the options when it comes to doing something like that. But that's besides the point. You just have to understand it as you go. I see a lot of people out there are worrying about how they're going to fulfill for their clients when they haven't even gotten a client. It's like your focus is completely wrong. It is so fucking easy to make a shit ton of money if you can just give more value in return to a different person. You'll make more money off of that. Like, genuinely, just like give more value than what you get and you will make money. It's the name of the game. It's how it is, and especially in 2026, like, there's no way going around that. Nobody's gonna pay you money just to pay you money. You have to be able to give value in return. Otherwise, you're cooked. You're basically fucking just scamming if you're not giving somebody more value. So it's just like, dude, why do you expect a business owner to pay you or get a client to pay you if you're not gonna provide value in return? That doesn't mean that you have to worry about how you're gonna give them that value. No, that means that you have to focus on how do I get a client first, and then you focus on adding the value. That comes secondhand, because you're not these things they just don't work that way. It's like in sports, right? You can't practice being in a game until you're actually in the game. It's like, yeah, you can do all the practice beforehand so you're ready when the situation arises, but when you step on that pitch, and it's an actual game, it's a completely different atmosphere, right? So you have to do the things beforehand before getting to that point. I hope that makes sense. Now, most importantly, why it is so fucking easy to make a shit ton of money? Well, there's so many ways to do it. There's so many ways to get help, and the competition, you might think that it's like there's so much competition, I won't be able to get a client. Like, I literally signed a client the other day that I'm going to coach. This is just like for coaching, not for the AI agency, but I'm going to coach him and teach him exactly how to make his own AI agency. And he's thinking like, oh, will I be able to get a client? Will I these things? Will I not? And it's like, you're doubting yourself before you've even tried. It's like, it doesn't matter if you're gonna get a client or not. What matters is that you put in the right actions to get a client, And then you'll see that the client will appear because you're adding more value in return. It's just a natural cause of the actions that you're doing. It's actually mind-blowing to me how people don't realize it. It's the same thing as going to the gym. If you don't necessarily even try to like grow grow your body or your muscles or whatever, but you go to the gym and you lift heavy and you progressively overload while sleeping well and eating right. If you just do the right actions, the results and the outcome will be there regardless. Like you can't even decide that. It's just going to happen. The same thing with the money. If you genuinely just do the right things in a consistent period of time, the outcome is naturally going to be that you're going to make a shit ton of money. However, most of you guys are just looking at it the wrong way. You're doing the wrong actions. You're not doing it consistently, and you're not doing it the way you're supposed to. And that's why most of you need help. So start doing the actions the right way. Obviously, it depends on what business model you want to dive deep into and whatnot. If you want to run an AI agency, I have a bunch of different videos teaching you exactly how to go about this, like 30-minute in-depth videos. Doesn't matter. You can ask me for help as well. Reach out to my Instagram. I'll have a link down below. It does not matter. The thing that matters is that you do the right things in the corresponding order for you to actually get the outcome, which is to make a shit ton of money. I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, like I said, I have links down below. Just reach out to me. Besides that, catch you guys next time. Take care.